Hi there, today we're exploring the powerful 1000W 5-in-1 Immersion Blender Handheld set designed to make your kitchen tasks easier and faster. This versatile blender includes a hand blender, food processor, mixing beaker, milk frother, and whisk. Perfect for soups, sauces, smoothies, and more. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle offers one-hand trigger speed control for smooth blending and effortless switching between speeds. Made from BPA-free plastic and durable 304 stainless steel, it ensures safety and long-lasting performance. Cleaning is simple thanks to detachable parts that are easy to rinse or dishwasher safe with some exceptions. Whether you're whipping eggs, chopping veggies, or frothing milk, this blender handles it all with ease and efficiency. Enjoy a reliable kitchen companion that saves space and delivers professional results every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.